Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Using a ratchet, a long extension and a 10mm socket, unscrew the battery fastening plate and remove it. Never disconnect the positive terminal first, as the car is fully connected to the negative terminal. This can create sparks that are dangerous to your car's electrical system. Pull up the negative terminal latch to disconnect it. Pull up the fastening latch on the plus terminal to disconnect it. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Get the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the fastening latch on the positive terminal. Put the fastening latch on the negative terminal. Ensure that the terminal has been fully inserted as much as possible. Put the battery fastening plate in place. Then finish off the tightening with a ratchet. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.